So on the 5th of June 2024, this guy sent me this message. But before I read it, I just want to tell you guys something. See, if you're new to affiliate marketing, please stop focusing on doing so much. Focus on doing little things so that you can get little results, which will encourage you to do more. But when you focus yourself on doing so many things, then you're going to overwhelm yourself, and then it can affect you. You could even give up. You say that this thing is a scam, it doesn't work, but that is not the case. So my advice to you is that focus on doing little things, and I'm going to discuss about those little things on this video. So stick to the end, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share with your friends. He said, hello G4G, got your contact from blah blah blah, blah YouTube, and so I started affiliate marketing newly, and like 2 months no sale. Can you help me to promote my affiliate marketing link? I don't have money for ads, I'm a student. Once I start making sales, I will fund you, please. So I asked him what product he's promoting, and then this is what he said. He said, okay boss, I'm on Stay Cut and I'm promoting high blood pressure digital course, including Joshua Imba's digital course. Joshua Imba is the, I think, CEO of Stay Cut, like that. Now from this guy's complaint, I want to tackle three things. So the first thing I want to tackle is his manner of approach. So please, when next, as a beginner, if you meet someone that you know maybe is ahead of you in whatever, know how to talk to the person, know how to communicate to the person. Do not meet the person and then tell the person to help you do something like you're the boss or like your boss, and then you pay the person. Because I don't know why he's telling me to help him promote his own link, and then he's going to pay me for promoting his own link. I have my own stuff to promote, I have my own business to promote. I'm so busy with my own thing. I can't take your link and promote for, but I could teach you how to do so. Manner of approach again is one of the things that will help you. Please, when you meet someone, tell the person, okay, I'm a student, can you please help me? I want to learn this thing. I don't really have money to pay maybe for mentorship or so. Can you please help me? I'm going to be so dedicated and so serious. Even if it's just, I just want to make just my first sale, or just show me something that I could do to make my first sale. So that will be a better manner of approach, and I will have considered you at least. But nevertheless, it's no problem. Now the second thing that I want to tackle here, picking the wrong product for yourself is going to affect you making a sale. Picking the wrong product for yourself, when I mean picking the wrong product for myself, it means I am not going to pick product that I know I'm not going to be able to market, or to be able to promote, to be able to communicate that product to people. Examples of product that I know that I cannot communicate to people. Let me say, for instance, there's an affiliate marketing program to market sexual enhancement products. I do not know how to market sexual enhancement products. I don't know how to even communicate it. Like, my father see me marketing those kind of, promoting those kind of products, I'm in soup. So you get the point. Don't pick product that is going to be hard for you to communicate and market properly. Third thing I want to tackle is, he said he's a student and he doesn't have money to run ads. Now please guys, let me tell you something. Let me give you guys a piece of advice. The internet has only 4 ways to make money. Only 4 ways, and I'm going to tell you guys now. The first way is through business. Now you could do an online business. Let's say having an online platform like this. This is my online platform where you get data and subscription for yourself. And let's say like applications and so, these are businesses, are online businesses. Even the banks, even fintech applications, all these big applications are businesses on the internet. That is the first way. Now the second way is through investment. That means you invest your money on whatever, let's say stocks, crypto, trading. All of these are investments. You have money from somewhere to invest and then try to multiply it. Now the third way is these are the 2 ways that you should stick. Sorry guys, it's about to rain and I'm recording outside. The third way and the fourth way are the places that you should stick as a beginner. Now the third way to make money on the internet is through skills. So you should acquire skills so that you can render skills to people, and then people are going to pay you in return. That is the third way. The fourth way is through middleman. That is through affiliate marketing. So now there's a lot of ways you could do affiliate marketing. Let me give you guys an example. Oh guys, it's about to rain. I think I'll just record this on my phone. It's about to rain, already windy out. An example of skills you can do is graphic design. This is one thing. You see, this is something I did for one guy that was campaigning for SUG president. I used a platform called Canva. This Canva here, this is what I used to do this. So these are skills you could do, and it doesn't really cost anything. you don't need to have experience in graphic design or be very smart in graphic, because these are templates that are created for you. So you could just choose this where I make all my flyers and my stuffs. So you could see, you could just choose whatever you want. You could come here and type whatever you want here. You could type whatever you want, whether it's let's say barbing. That means let's say you want a barbing flyer, want to make a barbing flyer for people. You could do it here and then just choose whatever you want, and then you just export it. Even if you're not interested in graphic design, you could come online and then search for, let's say, digital skills. So you can see digital skills. You could see a lot of them. Let's type on more. So you see there's social media. Under social media now you have a lot. There's social media marketing, management, media. There's a lot of things. You could come down here, data analysis. You could see digital marketing. You could see SEO. You could see communication. You could see user experience design. You could see cybersecurity. A lot of digital skills that you could learn. You could see them, so many of them that you could learn. That's if you don't want graphic design, but I'm just showing you guys something you could just start up very easy, and then render it to people and then get paid, and then the money to run ads also. So you don't have an excuse. Online as an affiliate marketer. You can hustle from some other places, get the money, and then use the money to promote products and then get paid from that. So now, talking about digital skills, I'm going to give you guys access to this library. This is my library of digital skills, over 100 plus digital skills, which you could just purchase for just 1,000 naira. Just 1,000 naira. This is what 150,000. Just tap on buy, check out, put your name, your email, and then you could use bank transfer also to just transfer the 1,000. You get access to 100 plus digital skills where you could learn whatever. Let me show you one of the skills that really stand out for me. So after you purchase this product with the 100 plus skills, there's data reselling, there's smartphone ebook creation, there's data reselling. You just come down to this CAC business registration. This is one thing that stands out in this package. So let's tap on the CAC and then let's open it. This is it here. Now let's tap on the video.
I'm showing you how to register your business with the CAC, which is the Corporate Affairs Commission, without the help of any agent or agency or CAC staff. Alright. Step 2 is to reserve a name. So once you click on,
so you could just tap on this. This is one of the business that stood out for me, and you could also do it as a student, whatever. If you don't have money, you could use this business and then make money and then use it for your affiliate marketing promotion. Come to Facebook and then tap on the search bar and then search CAC registration. You could see CAC registration. Tap on it. You see that people are active here. This is 2 days ago. Now you see this is someone that is offering this CAC registration, and let's go down to the price. You see business name, basic plan. You can see basic plan is it's 28k, and then SMES bundle is 40k. You could see, are you seeing that? Then you can see company package is 70k. You can see, and NGO registration is 140k. This is what you could do and charge. This is the result. And this is what this person is doing. CAC business registration. This is what this Joy is doing, and she's making this kind of money, and that's what you also could do. Comment section, you could see WhatsApp number here. I sent you a VN on WhatsApp. You can see now how much is registration. You could see that means people are already understand any business that want to start must have a CAC. I did my own registration, so I didn't have to pay this amount of money because I already know how to do it. So you could learn that and then do it for yourself and then make money, and stop saying you're a student, you don't have money. Information is already given to you, and information is power. So what you do with the information is what makes you powerful. Good. Under this video, you get the link to this product, and then you come here and then you just purchase it just for 1,000 naira. You could choose to buy meat for 1,000 naira, or you could choose to buy this course and get access to all of this for 1,000 naira. So the choice is yours. I know that people are still going to ask me, Victor, where can I get businesses to run these services for them? You have social media handles. You also have your WhatsApp where you could post and make it clear to people that okay, this is what you do, and you can help them achieve their goals. If they want, you can help them get their CAC registration done before they start their business, or even business owners that don't have their CAC registration done. So there's a lot of ways you could do. Just do something and stop complaining and stop saying you cannot, you're not getting results. Keep on trying, fail, try until you win, guys. Please have a winning mentality. I want you to understand that affiliate marketing is a business, and every business needs you to invest in it. So if you don't have money to invest, you could look for things to do for people. You could offer people services and then get money from there. Then you could now invest the money you've gotten into running advertisements for your affiliate market. So in a nutshell, that's just what I am trying to explain in this video. Further questions, please leave it in the comment section. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't, and share this video for people that will need it. And then see you guys in the next one.